how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket in split screen. If you're using your smart TV like Apple TV, Fire TV, or Roku, the NFL Sunday Ticket app, that is YouTube TV or standalone, supports multi-view split screen on compatible smart TVs. You can either select 2, 3, or 4 games to watch at once. On YouTube TV, you will find a built-in multi-view feature. While browsing live NFL games, look for multi-view options in the Home tab. Then you can choose a preset which will load them side by side on your screen. If you are using your phone or tablet, then the YouTube app with Sunday Ticket currently does not support multi-view on phones. You can only watch one game at a time. If your phone supports split screen apps like Android, you can run two YouTube instances side by side, but it's chunky and not officially supported. If you are using your web browser, then official multi-view is not available on desktop browsers, but you can open multiple tabs on your window and position them side by side. If you want them in one window, you can use extensions or softwares. That's all for today. Thank you.